Hello traders, it's me, Vicky of All Trades, and here I am again with this hair. So if you can see, the locks did not last at all. You know what I'm saying? It has been dyed, fried, and changed all kind of colors of the earth. But I think it's time for a change, and a drastic one at that. And it's time for a trim, so why not? Let me go ahead and get this thing trimmed up for you. I'm going to show you how it's going to look for the rest of this year. I'm going to do a tapered cut. DIY by myself. I'm going to do a tapered cut on my own hair. This is going to be interesting. Stay tuned. It's already tapered. It was the last time I had it cut, it was cut into a tapered cut. So if I move it up, it's all kind of crazy. But if I had it picked out into a fro, I had to go buy me a pick because I couldn't use regular combs anymore, so I had to go buy a pick. So if I were to, just pick everything out, this is what my fro is looking like right now, and it's like half a year now. I started my cuts on December 31st, and here it is, May 30th, and I'm about to change it again. I would have, no, I didn't want to wait. I can't do nothing else with it. I've tried all the twist outs. I've tried all the flat twists. I've tried putting the fake hair on. I've put single leaves twist in it. I mean, I've done a whole lot over this last 6 to 8 months, and I haven't liked anything in particular to keep wearing it the same way, but I've never been the type of person to wear the same hairstyle. So that's what I'm going to do, this taper cut, and I can play around with it, but it'll make it a lot easier. I can finger coil it, I can just, wash and go or whatever, but I'm going to trim it down shorter than what it is, cut off these dry ends, get my hair moisturized, and get it ready for my birthday in July. Separated, stretched, and this needs to be cut now. Almost perfectly even. So this is going to be my middle piece, in which I'm going to cut, trim these ends. Since it's pretty much even, the same length all over, on both the sides and the back and the front or whatnot, since the length's about the same, I'm just going to cut the same amount off. I'm going to try to anyway. So I guess I'll try to measure it to the end of my ear is where I'm going to cut it. That's what I'm going to start off cutting it, at the end of my ear. And I am an amateur. I'm not a salon stylist. I'm not a professional. I've not been schooled to do hair. That's why I'm calling it a do-it-myself. I'm doing it myself. I cut it the first time anyway, but it was already kind of short, so all I had to do was cut off the perm. But now, this is a whole nother story. This ain't 3 inches of hair. This is like 7 inches of hair. More or less. I'm hairless now. Oh my goodness. How much is that? I cut off about 2.5 to 3 inches of hair. Here it goes. Can't be scared. Can't be scared. Can't be scared. pretty much even. Oh, I cut my hair again. It's short. Oh. Now time to do the top. Now you may or may not notice, but the front here is shorter. Like right here is shorter than the rest of this hair. It's not the same length because it has been breaking off. Literally just grab it and cut. Yeah, I know this ain't the perfect way to do it, but it's what I'm doing. I can run my fingers through this stuff now. Boy, it was difficult. The final cut.